This weekend we're taking Southern Railway to Arundel, a historic West Sussex market town right on the River Arun, not far from the South Downs. Taking the train is perfect as the town centre is just a short walk from the station. Begin your visit with a walk around Arundel's High Street. It's full of independent stores. Hear more about it from one of the shop owners.
So we've been living here for 11 years. All of these buildings used to be owned a very long time ago by the Duke and the castle. So to maintain the high street, they like these houses. You have to have the high street room as a commercial let. And at the weekends, you used to go out to tea plantations. So there's tea here. Why don't we do why don't we do loose leaf tea? We worked with a wonderful guy that's been in the business for 25 years, got us all started, and kind of the rest of history. And here we still are 10 years later. So it's been brilliant.
Arundel's town centre is full of galleries, antiques, cafes and bakeries, giving it a handcrafted feel. If you're wondering what to do in Arundel, simply wandering its small streets is a lovely way to start. Arundel is known for its dramatic castle, peaceful landscapes, independent shops and atmospheric streets, making it such a relaxing short break or weekend away. Arundel Castle is the town's most striking landmark. First built in the 11th century, it's privately owned by the Norfolk estate and remains associated with the Duke of Norfolk family, making it not part of the National Trust. After exploring the castle, continue to Swanbourne Lake, surrounded by trees, wildlife and lakeside footpaths. It's such a beautiful spot for photography, picnics or a relaxing afternoon walk. This part of Arundel has a gentle pace and is a quiet contrast to the grandeur of the castle. A mill pond is also known to have existed here in the 11th century before the Norman conquest and holds a rich history which you can feel as you walk around. For an overnight stay, St Mary's Gate, a 500-year-old pub, offers all en-suite, comfortable, spacious and full of character guest rooms, and an ideal location with incredible views of the Cathedral. With friendly staff, dinner here is a relaxed and memorable way to end your evening, surrounded by historic architecture. After a really good sleep, it's time to go downstairs and see what we can grab for breakfast. It's definitely time for a coffee. Start day 2 with a visit to Arundel Cathedral, which is right on your doorstep if you're staying at St Mary's Gate. Built on the top of the hill where the South Downs meet the outskirts of the ancient town of Arundel, the cathedral is a definite landmark in West Sussex. Building work started here in 1869 and took just over 3 years to complete. This Gothic revival church features soaring stone detail and impressive stained glass windows, and it's definitely not one to miss. Although today this is known as a cathedral, up until 1965 this was originally built to be a church. And in 1973 the cathedral's dedication finally changed to Our Lady and St Philip Howard. Afterwards, walk along to Arundel Museum, which offers a friendly introduction to the town's history, archaeology, everyday life and local heritage. The museum tells the story of how Arundel grew from a riverside settlement into the cultural and historic town scene today. You're wondering what's on in Arundel? The answer is everything. Loads of history, riverside walks, independent cafes, galleries, plus Arundel is only around 90 minutes direct from London Victoria and 55 minutes from Gatwick. You can also get 25% off Arundel historic tours when you book in advance with your Southern tickets. So make sure you download the Southern Railway app and book your tickets to Arundel. Subscribe for more rail-based travel inspiration and we'll see you on the next journey.